Welcome back, everyone. This is a new addition to our inventory. This is a 2015 BMW X5M, 99,000 miles on it, and we're asking $27,250. So if you want a piece of motorsport history, the BMW X5M can offer that. Let the windows down from the remote. All remote functionality of the comfort access system found on a BMW. Let's get inside. This already has tinted windows, so you don't need to do that. You've got the gorgeous red leather. Take a look at the condition. Very good shape. All the way to the bolster. Heated and cooled seats, a heated steering wheel, nice thick grip with the M Sport stitching colors there. Alcantara headliner with the panoramic moonroof. This is the Harman Kardon sound system found in here. Alloy pedals. Check out your gauge cluster. Nice condition on the door. All nice shape. Currently have a winter tire set on here, so year-round fun in the X5M sports car. 4.4 V8, 567 horsepower. You have a 0 to 60 time in 4 seconds. Also nice too is the previous owner put a PPF on here to protect from rock chips or anything like that. What's nice about this one is it doesn't go all the way across the hood and mess up the flow of the lines of the vehicle. It goes with the contour of the hood, which is really nicely done. Taking a look at rear entry and condition of the rear seats. Take a look at the condition of the rear hatch for accessing additional storage, temporary spare, additional accessories, all-weather mats, always a good sign of a well cared for car. The original books that'll support up to 500 pounds for tailgating, camping, or concerts.